Hello everybody, I hope you had a great weekend wherever you are in the world. My name is Rick Ray, and this is my website that you can go to check out more about me and find out more about forex trading. rickrayfx.com/profile, as you see there on the screen. And so here we are for another weekly analysis, this one starting the 22nd of May 2023, where we have about 5 days left in this week and then 3 more days to finish the month off next week. And of course we will look at the fundamental high impact news as always, to look at the red items on forexfactory.com to see what's going to influence the movement of currencies and commodities this upcoming week. And then as always, I will review the profit and loss that we had from the trade setups which I shared with you last week. And then of course I will share my new trade setups with you. And just remember that this is not financial advice. I am sharing these trade setups that I will be taking. This is how I see the market happening, the market sentiment. This is how I perceive things going on. And I'm not recommending or suggesting that you take the same trades, although you can. But it's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. Before we get started with that, people are always asking me if I can recommend a good broker. Well, I have been using Fullerton Markets for more than 5 years and can easily recommend them. I have clients in more than 25 countries around the world who are using this broker. They are a multi-asset broker, global broker, and you can easily trade all of the currencies and commodities you want, cryptos, stock CFDs, anything you want to trade on Fullerton Markets. So the link below this video is where you can go to sign up very easily for a live account. Okay, so let's have a look at the high impact news items, the red items that are on forexfactory.com. And I always tell you these are the Asian times because I live in Asia. So if you're in Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, these times will apply to you. And we have a full calendar this week, okay? Nothing on Monday, but some items on Tuesday. Wednesday is the interest rate will be announced for the New Zealand economy, and they're expected to raise the interest rate by 25 basis points. And then on Thursday at 1 a.m. in Asia, we have the very impactful FOMC statement, which is very, very important. And then later in the day on Thursday, we have the unemployment claims from the U.S. and then a little bit of news on Friday. So check forexfactory.com for your local times and be aware of these high impact news items. So let's have a look at the profit and loss that we accumulated, that materialized from our trade setups last week. On gold, I had a buy limit which didn't materialize on Tuesday of the week. And I said take the buy limit between 2000 and 2004, and that trade did open, but only went up for 1 day, okay, and then it came right back down during the same day. But if you were watching that, you could have easily made 95 pips, and it was midweek when we started to see gold confirm bearish on both the day chart and the H4, the 4-hour chart. And with the Euro US, I had a sell limit which activated on Tuesday also, and we accumulated 135 pips from that one before it turned around on Friday. The pound New Zealand was our real cash cow this week, okay? I said sell that on market open, which was a perfect execution, and it went down all week long and just came up a little bit on the close of the Friday session, but we accumulated 302 pips from the pound New Zealand. And the odd US was a sell limit, which opened on Monday also and went down during the week, and we closed that on Thursday evening with a profit of 85 pips. The New Zealand US sell limit gave us a little bit, 57 pips. The pound US was a sell limit. We got 111 pips on that one. And then the USD CAD was a buy limit, only got 35 pips out of that one. If you'd have been watching the market on Monday, it did open and then went down during the week, did not hit our stop loss. Okay, then came back up on Wednesday for a maximum, a top out of 35 pips on the USD CAD buy limit. And then the Euro CAD didn't make much on that. Okay, 18 pips. It opened on Monday, and then just this is the week that the Euro CAD decided to turn bearish. So you had to be watching that one, otherwise you would have hit your stop loss. But a small profit on that one of 18 pips. Okay, what about the new trade setups that we've got for this last full week of 2023 of May? Okay, gold. All right, gold. Everybody trades gold. We all trade gold. I love trading gold. But we need to be careful, okay, because gold is officially bearish. It turned officially bearish on the day chart during the week, last week. And we saw it moving down. And but the problem is Jerome Powell made a speech on Friday, and things just as they always do when he gives a speech, the market got rattled. Okay, and we made a huge pullback increase, and so with gold, I really expect that we're likely to see a continuing downward move with gold as we finish off with May in this risk-off month, and so I expect to continue the bearish move, and I do have sell trades open. But if we get a bit of a correction or a pullback, we find resistance at 1994. So you see on the screen there, it says buy limit, but that's supposed to say sell limit. Okay, it's been a tiring weekend for me, and I do make typos occasionally. That is XAU USD sell limit. Okay, not buy limit, sell limit at 1994. So we could see a pullback, a correction to that zone at 1994, and then see a continuation of the bearish move, gold being officially bearish as of last week, and we could be seeing lower prices. Our next low is around 1950. Okay, we got to 1951 last week, so 1950 is our next support level, and then even lower prices may be down to around 1912. Then on the Euro US, I have a sell limit, and that entry price is 1.0870, so we need to get a correction on that, pull back up to our resistance zone there at 1.0870. And then the pound New Zealand, a sell limit also on that, needs to make a big correction though up to 1.9970 if we're going to see a continuation of the bearish move that started last week. And the odd US, also a sell limit with the entry price at 0.6670. And the New Zealand US, this one a little bit iffy. I'm not 100% confident on this one. You can skip this one if you like. Sell on market open, okay, but use a small lot size. All right, so this one should continue its bearish run, but it's giving indecisive signals on both of my charts, so this is why I'm not particularly confident on the New Zealand US. But I will be looking to sell this on market open. Remember, on Wednesday we do have the high impact news coming out about the interest rate on the New Zealand, which can dramatically affect the movement of this currency pair. And then the pound US, I have a sell limit on that one at 1.2490. And the USD CAD, a sell limit. Okay, this one's really doing a lot of whipsawing, a lot of sideways movement with the USD CAD. But I do have a sell limit this week with the entry price at 1.3510. And finally, a minor pair, the Euro CAD, started its bearish movement last week. So I have an entry price on this sell limit with the Euro CAD at 1.4655. Okay, so that's it for the trade setups. And as always, I do remind people that if you're interested in a steady income, automated trading can give you that. I've been using robots for more than 5 years, and I think it's an excellent way to generate steady income. The great thing about robot trading is that it trades without emotion. So if you go to my website, which is dedicated to robot trading, that's prosperityrisingea.com, you'll find more information there about pricing, etc. But stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. This week I will be releasing a video on YouTube about a very, very special promotion, limited number of clients that I will accept on a very, very good price for this automated trading that I use for the robot trading. It's a full course, including the EA, the setup, everything. It's an absolute unbelievable one-time offer. And I'll be releasing a video about midweek, so be sure you subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified when that video comes out. Okay, thanks for being here. Hope you have a great week of trading, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.